It doesn't matter which video editing software you're using. This simple technique will help you create a seamless looping video from almost any clip. On the timeline, we have our clip, and this inherently loops. If you look at the end and beginning frame, it completely matches. In this case, you can easily duplicate your clip and create a loop. But what if you don't start with such footage? Here, I'll make sure the beginning and end frames don't match, just like this. So how do we fix that? It's actually very easy. Choose any frame in the clip. It can be anywhere. Cut the clip at that point. Now, take the first section and move it to the end of the second one. That's how you'll create your seamless loop point. You can delete the extra gap. Now, when you look at the beginning and the end of the clip, it loops smoothly. Next, we need to fix this point right here, because there's still a noticeable jump. How will you make a true seamless loop point? The answer is by adding a transition. Select the clip and press Ctrl or Command D to apply a cross dissolve. Or go to the effects panel, search for cross dissolve, and apply it manually. But you won't be able to add it in between the clip. It's because there are no extra frames. Just trim a few frames from the start of the second clip. Now apply the cross dissolve and adjust its duration to make the transition smooth. Once that's done, you can duplicate the clip as many times as you want and export it. And you have yourself a looping video. If this video helped you, make sure to check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.